Product contamination. Cleaning procedures are put in place and must be followed to make sure equipment is adequately cleaned. Without proper cleaning, residues on the equipment will contaminate future batches. Contaminated product can prove very costly to a company and could be a danger to the consumer. Each piece of reusable equipment in a pharmaceutical plant has its own individual cleaning procedure for each type of product produced in it. This is because different products can require different methods of cleaning. For example, some products may be removed by simply using water, whereas others cannot be removed with water and will require the use of a specific solvent. The correct SOP must be followed exactly for all cleaning operations. Cleaning SOPs continued. Time. The length of time that the cleaning solution is in the equipment is important. The cleaning procedure will only work properly if the cleaning solution is left in the equipment for the correct length of time. Rinse washes. The volume and number of rinse washes is important if impurities and the detergent used are to be removed. Temperature. The correct temperature must be used for effective cleaning because certain detergents might only work effectively at a specific temperature. Instructions. Exact details are needed to dismantle the equipment if necessary and clean it. Locations. Special attention is given to locations that are difficult to clean, as contaminants can build up in these areas and contaminate future batches.